everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to solve the knapsack problem. That is the fractional knapsack problem. So here in the question, they will be giving the objects, weights and the profits. This n specifies the total number of objects that we are using in this problem. That is 7. Next, what is W? That is 15. So W means the maximum capacity or the maximum weight that you can fill in this table. Now using this table format, we will be solving to get the maximum profit in this problem. So the final goal is to prove the final goal is to find the maximum profit in the problem. First, let's consider this as the container or a box. Now you can fill maximum of 15. Maximum of 15. To fill this container with the maximum capacity of 15, what we will be using? We will be using the objects. So to select which object must go inside so that the efficient space of 15 or the efficient weight of 15 is used. So we can go with three ways. One is based on the maximum weight. Based on maximum weight, we will be choosing the objects based on the maximum weight. Next, second one will be choosing the objects based on maximum profit. The second one is choosing the objects based on the profit so that we can fill here and fill this container so that the maximum capacity which we can use is the 15 number of weights. And the third most important and efficient technique to solve the knapsack problem is by taking the maximum profit by weight ratio. So what we should do? We should find the profit by weight ratio for each and every objects that we are having and choose the object based on the maximum profit by weight ratio. So let's go with the third technique because this is the most efficient and the optimal solution giving technique. So what you must do? Profit by weight ratio. So here only you write the profit by weight ratio for each and every object. So profit by weight ratio 7 divided by 2. So 7 divided by 2 will be 3.5. Next 9 divided by 1, that is 9. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 5 divided by 5, 1. 10 divided by 3. So 3.33. Next 12 divided by 6, 2. 15 divided by 7, 2.14. Now we got the values of the profit by weight ratio. Now we must fill in this box. This is just a reference so that you can understand the problem much easier. So what you must do? You must be having the maximum capacity of 15. That is the maximum weight capacity is 15. So until that you must be filling. Now what we will be doing? Choosing the objects based on the profit by weight ratio. That is maximum profit by weight ratio. Who is having the maximum profit by weight ratio here? That is 9. Object number 2. So object number 2, its profit is 9. Next, its weight is 1. Here we were having the 15 as the maximum weight. Now we are using 1. So 15 minus 1 will be 14. Now we are left out with only 14 space. That is 14 maximum weight. Now what we will be doing? We will be continuing the same process. Finding the maximum profit by weight ratio. Here it is 3.5. Now the object is 1. Its weight is 2. Its profit is 7. So its weight is 2. 14 minus 2 will be 12. Now we are left out with the maximum weight of 12. Now continue the process. The maximum among these four is 3.33. That is object number 5. Its weight is 3 and its profit is 10. So 12 maximum capacity or the maximum weight was 12. 12 minus 3 will be 9. Next, among these four, who is having the maximum value? 3, that is object number 3. Its profit is 6, its weight is 2, therefore 9 minus 2 will be 7. Now we are left out with the maximum weight of 7. Now among these three, who is having the maximum profit by weight ratio? 2.14, that is object number 7, and its weight is 7. Object number 7's profit is 15. So 7 minus 7 will be equal to 0. Now we used the maximum weight, that is 15. Now we are left out with the 0 maximum weight because we efficiently used the 15 weight also. What was our goal? To find the maximum profit. So here the profit column is there, just add all of them. So 9 plus 7 will be 16, 16 plus 10 will be 26, 26 plus 6 will be 32, 32 plus 15 will be 47. Now we got the value of the maximum profit in this fractional knapsack problem, that is of the 47. So what we did in this problem? We just took the objects, profits, weight and the remaining weight as the 4 columns of our table, and our goal was to find the maximum profit. To find the maximum profit with the maximum capacity of the 15, we needed to choose the objects. We chose the objects based on the profit by weight ratio because it gives the optimal and it is the most accurate technique. Now what we did? We arranged all the profit by weight ratio of each and every objects and chose the object based on their maximum profit by weight ratio. After choosing them, what we were doing? We were subtracting the weight from the maximum weight and updating the maximum weight which was left over. When we are left out with the 0 or the lowest weight with which we cannot go further in the problem, we will stop the process and write the maximum profit by adding the profit column. Hope you understood the concept of the fractional knapsack problem. If you have any doubt, please comment below. If you like the video, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. Thank you.